She said the item I like up the Phoenix. Yeah, what this is Queen Ifrika, you know. The item I like up the Phoenix on the 360. So you can look out for that AKA name there. Queen Ifrika, AKA the Phoenix. Yeah, I see. Blessed love, man. All is well, you know. Intercept, where I intercept them. All is well. All is well. Now make them trick, you know. All is well. So them about to press the ultimate panic button for those who are coming in late. Them have to go just go and come in late because I have to go and send on the upload, you know. So Jamaica, I remember when we say Jamaica will decide how the New World Order manifests. And I'm pretty sure that you guys are now picking up on the fact that Jamaica is literally deciding how the New World Order manifests. It have a little glitch still. A little glitch there. But it can fix, you know. We need to unite to stop where I come. We need, you start with, we need to unite. Is it monotonous? Everything about it. Oh, we should talk about we need for you. Who need to unite? That's why I go just follow me on the live a little bit this morning. Yeah. Seeing? We are at a crossroads for real. There's no joke about it. We see how everything is manifesting. A lady in Jamaica threw her 5-month-old baby out of a window and killed the baby. Jamaica, that happening in a 2023. This place and hurt. But her sister fed up and threw her youth through the window. That is the reality where we are talking about right now. Yeah, it starts a poor connection. Who are we going to obey? Are we going to obey mankind, or are we going to obey the true and living almighty creator of all things, which made everything possible for all of us to exist, to breathe the breath of life, to wake up this morning grateful for the fact so we can breathe life? And we so busy enjoying the fact that Satan is having his greatest dance right now, that we're forgetting that the true and living almighty creator do exist, my Lord. Jamaica is the center of the world. Jamaica, this island, is the center of the world. Yeah, man, they them have to overset, them have got intercept lives like for Queen Ifrika and many others like myself, you know. We soon have no internet. My beloved people. Them are going to shut down everything and drop off somehow we off of the grid. And you know who are going to on the top of that list. So if you can't survive without going on your phone, forget a smile. Where my phone, the Lord God, where my phone there? Are you are caught up in the apocalypse of misery and frustration and feel like you kill yourself because you can't get to watch your favorite TikToker and your favorite IG influencer? You go scan the grass, you go feel like when I go out the door, go plant tree for. I want to go on TikTok, I want to go on IG. We are in the final month of 2023. I tell them how busy 2023 was going to be. Me beg the stakeholders that we have here on the island to do the right thing once and for all, which is Maroons and Jamaicans uniting so that the entire world can unite. Maroons and Jamaicans uniting so that the entire world can unite. Maroons, all of we are Maroons, but it became divided when division came along. Because I know L.A. Lewis are going to say, my queen, we are all Maroon, 9 Kepong Maroon. Yes, Emperor, I know that we are all 9 Kepong Maroons. And we know that the Ashanti town Maroon is the original Maroon. Let me not go into deep. See, the point to be made is there are stakeholders here on this island who have the power to unite Jamaica overnight. Setting the ultimate example for the world like big America, we don't know what to do for unite. Israel and Gaza, we don't know what to do for unite. Now we are see Venezuela and Guyana, we don't know what to do for unite. Russia and Ukraine. Jamaica uniting instead of dividing even more with all of these things that everyone is signing off on and are being distracted and are not looking at the real picture that is being painted in front of our faces, that division is the method that is being used to keep us apart by family feuding, community feuding, and by extension, country feuding. If we don't stop the feuding in the family, wherein family who are wrong accept when them wrong, people who are wronged accept that they were wronged too, and accept their position in the situation, and having a solace, having a camaraderie, a place where we can say, forgive and let's move on, or let's talk about it and do the right thing that is supposed to be done. What is wrong with the approach there? What wrong with that? Why that can't come off the ground? But everybody is signed up for the chaos. Everybody signed up for the mayhem. Everybody signed up for the disastrous outcome. And is cheering it along at the expense of a 5-month-old being thrown out of a window. A 10-month-old throat slash. The women of Jamaica, where the hell are you guys? Because you say I'm not a woman. I am the most chastised, the most pushed aside, the most kicked in the ass. Get out of the way. I sit and watch my father call me a bitch. And dirty girl. And dirty mouth. And him know say him rape me. Him know. Him know. But him choose that. What am I supposed to do? Continue to cry and continue to Oh, God Almighty, you said that. No. The time come now for us as a people who have been victimized, stand up and say, no more, man. Y'all lick me in my back too long, you know, tap now, man. Why y'all lick me in my back, so? What me do? Why you run bar you want to send me an whorehouse? Why rape victims not for strong? My father said rape victims not for strong. We not for wind up on stage and them something there. Rape victims for more calm. Why rape victims for calm? You know for calm, man. Then rape we long enough, Jamaica. We can show we powers in a many ways. We not have to kill. We not have to create no burn down nowhere. That then go make we have to go start over again. We can just stay we hard like how them a tell we fi do. We can just unite Richard Curry and Buju them and Kaboom and Keru them and Mutap. One of the things I be done. Me not done with that. We need to sit down around the table on behalf of the people them where it okay if them dead. And become the sacrifice, the blood sacrifice when Muta asks for. Who are going to be in the blood sacrifice? Why the SO? What is the SOEs for? Why are we in such a hurry to sign the Samoa agreement? We are going to make things like this where me are going to say, are going to be forbidden. A jail, them are going to can all me have to. If you sit down here so and look on the eye them and say, what we really are do when we are turned so far away from God? That we allow mankind to feel like a them a God now, a them call the shots, them to kick you down, rape you, do anything with them want to do with you and you to take it and obey. And the eye them, eat the food them, drink it drinks them, and I obey if it's true. So now the great sexy nose man, Mr. Andrew, is parading as God in front of the face overnight. Thousands and thousands of Jamaicans are back him, and then when you look over PNP side, you see thousands and thousands all Gargamel. Buju, let me tell you something, man. I love alone can't fix this. I love alone. Love for yourself. Give back the love to the people who love we when we did in our pain and turn to the people love we so that we could have relevance. Now them need we. The people need we. The players, the stakeholders. Seeing, if you stand up with them now. Only those who overs the life, you are going to get the message from it, you know. Because when the real thing come, like, and it's not a panic, you know. It's just that if I find a way to rule you, I'm going to take it. You know what I mean? If somebody find out say them can rule you, them are going to rule you. And if you don't overs what it mean, if you fight for yourself and fight for yourself in the right way, you're going to lose too. So it's all about everybody. It's not a lose-lose. We're into win-win. We're into win-win. And my belly hurt me. If me I feel any pain right now, it's for how much Jamaicans are dead. And the fact say, so much people there we know who are dead, why them are dead, and it not really matter if them dead because we didn't need to get rid of them anyway because they are the most rebellious. And that is the indigenous sovereign Jamaicans them were there before all of the chaos came along. Africa need us as Jamaicans right now to do the unity.